Good morning everyone. This is actually my first ever vlog. Don't really know what I'm doing. I'm not doing a lot today. I just thought I'd kind of get used to my new camera and try and vlog, show you a little bit more of my life, my personality, just what I do when I've kind of got a day off. It's half term from university at the moment and I don't have work now because I'm trying to find another job, but I've not long woken up. I'm just going to go downstairs to make breakfast and have a coffee, and I've just placed, this kills me saying this, but I've just placed an order on Boohoo. I spent like £160 maybe, which is quite a lot of money, but there was a lot of stuff in the sale that I kind of want to show you. So I think I clicked next day delivery, so it should be arriving tomorrow, and then I should be able to film a video for you tomorrow and get it up maybe next week. I'm not too sure yet, but we'll see how it goes anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of take you along with me today. Okay, so this is the coffee that I am using. Will you focus? This is Skinny Coffee Club. They kindly sent some to me. I've recently got the mocha flavour, which is like chocolate, Aussie and coffee. The 28-day program, and this actually tastes really nice. It's obviously like more watery because it's got like green tea. Let's see the ingredients. Sugar, whey powder, fat reduced cocoa powder, green tea extract. It's already got a bit of milk in it, thickener, blah 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 blah. And I do have another one which is just their normal coffee, which you put in a French press, so that one's a bit more complicated, whereas this one you just use like coffee. So I'm just gonna make myself one now. So yeah, I've just made that coffee. On the like directions it says you're not supposed to put sugar and milk in it. Like you drink it as if it's black coffee, especially the one you put in the French press, because obviously that gives you the best results. And I can't drink black coffee and I can't drink anything without sugar, so obviously it wouldn't be as, what's the word? Effective, that's the word. It wouldn't be as effective, obviously, the way I drink it, but with like regular exercise, healthy eating, drinking one of these coffees every morning, it's really going to help your metabolism and bloating. And they've got like loads of things on their website anyway, but I find it definitely helps with bloating for me. And I find that I haven't really put on any weight recently, even though I've been eating quite a lot of shit. If you are interested in this coffee, I do have a discount code, which is fern20. It's always in the description. Go and check it out, see if it'll make a difference for you. I really like the mocha flavour, to be honest. It does taste really nice. I've just got to decide now what I want for breakfast. It is Thursday today. I showered last night, so I'm fresh this morning. I don't really have a lot to do, to be honest. I'm going to edit another video and I might film another one. Something different. I don't know if it would be up by the time I put this vlog up, if I do. But it's something a little bit different and I'm going to see how it goes because I've just figured out how I can actually do it. But yeah, I'm excited and I'm chilled. I just need to decide what I want for breakfast. So I will catch up with you in a bit. I thought I would just show you quickly my little animals. This is Theo. Theo, what's this? He's a Cavachon, so he's a mix between a Bichon Frise and a King's Cavalier. He needs a haircut desperately though. This is Bailey, my little baby boy. Oi! Little ginger Tom. Don't do that, that's gross. Bless, he's jealous. Yeah. Theo's not really mine, he's my mum's and her husband's, but they got Bailey for me because he's so cute and he's my little precious. Let me know in the comments whether you are a dog person or a cat person. I'm definitely a cat person, and I think everyone who knows me knows that. I've probably had about 10 cats in my life so far. Oh, look. There you go, baby. They don't know what to do with themselves. So cute. I think I'm gonna go tidy my room quickly because it's getting a bit messy and I need to hoover again. And then I'm probably gonna get ready and film the video I was talking about and then edit them. Yeah, my room is such a mess right now. Everything is everywhere. Let's go. Okay, I've just gotten ready. I've just done kind of like simple makeup, nothing crazy. I straightened my hair and put an outfit on. Let me show you. This is what I am wearing. This bodysuit is from, where's it from? Miss Selfridge. I got it on ASOS. It's just a plain black bodysuit. This belt is from Primark. These jeans are mum jeans from Topshop, and I've just got my slippers on still. But cute. My arms, if none of you obviously know, if you don't know me personally, my arms are still recovering because I went to the hospital 3 or 4 times last week to get patch tests done, and that is obviously for allergies. I'm allergic to an ingredient called PPD, which is used in hair dye. I've had trouble with henna tattoos, hair dye, clothing dye in the past, so I wanted to go to the hospital to like find out what it was, to know what ingredients I'm allergic to kind of obviously like know for future reference. I do get my hair done, but I get foils so it doesn't actually touch my skin, and the doctor was kind of like advising that I shouldn't do that, but I've been getting my hair done for like 4 or 5 years and I've never had a problem with that, so we'll see. But yeah, sorry if this is kind of gross, but they blistered up, obviously they taped different dyes to me. I think I had like 40 odd tiny little patches on me, and quite a lot of them reacted. I had some on my back too, but mainly these were all like different types of permanent hair dye, the PPD, and they blistered really badly last week, and they're healing now because I've been putting steroid cream on them, and obviously I've been looking after them, and they're drying up now, but the pigment and it still looks gross, so I'm just letting it air because I've just put some cream on it, so sorry if that kind of looks gross. Should be gone soon hopefully, because I'm going to Berlin next week and I don't really want to have arms looking like these, but we'll see. I think I'm gonna film a Sims like let's play type video. I don't know how it's gonna go. I've never really done a gaming video before, and obviously I know how to screen record on Macs, and I might just use this camera to test it out even more and see what the quality is like. Maybe with lighting, I'm not too sure. See how it goes. I'm quite excited. I've only got Sims 3 to play on my iMac. I used to have Sims 2, which I loved, like when I was younger, years ago. Sims 2 I used to play on like a really old laptop, and then it stopped working on my MacBook for some reason, so I don't know whether it was my laptop or the game. I downloaded the online Origin version onto my computer, so I didn't even need the disc for it, so I can just play it on there now. So I might do that. I still haven't eaten anything. It's been about an hour and a half now. It is 12 o'clock. I've had a coffee, but I don't really want anything downstairs. Like, I just don't want toast. I don't want cereal. I made pancakes yesterday and I don't want them again. I think I've run out of fruit. And I don't know what else to have. Do any of you get like this? Do you just never know what you want to eat? Like, I don't know. Aloha everyone. It's been a while. Currently been editing videos. I filmed a Sims 3 Let's Play video and I've edited the first part of that because I think I'm going to upload it in 2 parts because it was really long. But we'll see how that goes down. I also edited a Primark haul and I uploaded my playlist video. I don't really know when I'm going to put them up yet. I might put one up soon. I don't know when this vlog is going to go up either. It is the... what's the date today? Check my phone. It's the 22nd of February. It's currently 5 to 6, so it has definitely been quite a few hours. I've had some food. I had a cottage pie, which was really nice. Felt like a little bit healthy because my other option would have been chicken dippers and wedges. But I mean, it's still not the healthiest thing in the world, is it? So I have edited 2 videos. I uploaded one. I'm currently uploading another. As I said, I'm going to Berlin. So I'm hoping to get this vlog up before I go so I can vlog while I'm there. And then the time difference, like in when I upload videos, doesn't confuse anyone. But I don't really know what else I'm going to do at the moment. I'm just kind of editing. I haven't even left the house today. So I might like go somewhere, I'm not sure. My friends and I like tend to go to a pub quiz on a Thursday at one of our local like pub restaurant places, and there's like pub quiz on Thursdays and we go quite often and everyone's on about going, well some of us are. So if I do end up going, I might take my camera. I don't know, as this is my first ever vlog, I don't know whether I'll feel comfortable like whipping it out in front of my friends, because they'd probably be like, Finn, what the fuck are you doing? But I might take it with me, get a little time lapse or something, you never know. So I'll charge the battery before then. My Boohoo order has been shipped. I had a confirmation and shipping email. I'm so excited for that to arrive. I might try and get this vlog up. I don't know, I've got so many videos at the moment. I might try and get this vlog up like tomorrow or Saturday. I'm not sure. Hey Theo. My dog's gonna come and say hey. Come on then. Come on then. You can do it. Excuse the mess in the background. What's this? What are you doing? Say hello. You need a haircut so bad. My arm's been so itchy today, obviously, as I mentioned. I'm trying to let them air. What are you doing? He's already been for a walk today and they've been fed, so I think he's just bored, you know. Are you bored? Who's in the mirror? Who's in the mirror? Who's that? Who's that? In the mirror? What do you want? Are you alright or what? Animalsy. I am probably just gonna chill out, watch a couple of YouTube videos, edit some more of mine, and update you a little bit later. Oh, it is so cold right now. I'm absolutely freezing. I feel like I'm going to die. Oh, I am leaving now to go to the pub quiz. I decided to go, but I wish I wore a warmer coat because this isn't a coat, this is a cardigan. Oh, my heatings don't even like work that fast because my car's old. But yeah, I might get my camera out, I might not. We'll see. So I might see you there, or I might see you when I'm back home. I need to drive now because I'm gonna be late. So I've just got home. I am in bed now, just watching TV with Bailey. I'm just gonna take my makeup off and watch some TV and just go to sleep. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog and it wasn't too boring or bad. But yeah, thank you for watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Good night.